To think na sobrang Hi guys, Rachel here. Welcome back to my channel. Today, meron na naman akong haul. Ito na naman yung mga items galing sa Dresslink. So, hindi to mga mahal na items at all because you guys know if it's Dresslink, we know it's mura. After I posted my last Dresslink haul video, a lot of you guys asked me kung ano yung payment method na ginamit ko. Yung mga items na yun, at saka yung items ipapakita ko sa inyo ngayon, sinend sa akin ng Dresslink. So, libre to lahat. Wala akong binayaran. So, sila nag-process ng shipping and all that. I'm pretty sure they chose the fast shipping kasi like, you know, they're trying to promote their products. Pero I have experience ordering from Dresslink myself noon before pa nila ako kinontak. And before, I always choose the cheapest option. Kahit na walang tracking number, okay lang. Nagtry ako mag-order sa kanila nasa US pa ako. Nagtry ako mag-order sa kanila when I was in Cayman. And you guys, Cayman is sobrang layo. And kahit na walang tracking number yung pinili ko, umabot pa rin sa akin yung orders ko. Hindi nga lang siya mabilis. But I wasn't expecting na mabilis ko siya ma-receive, especially when I was in Cayman. But yeah, kahit na walang tracking number, nare-receive ko siya. Wala akong naging problema sa Dresslink at all noon, nung pera ko pa yung ginagamit ko pag-order sa kanila. So yeah, magsisimula na ako sa haul. Ito, you guys, very random. I think merong accessories, clothing, and then makeup brushes, tapos mga chorba ek-eklu. So yeah, I will go ahead and start. I got 4 sunnies kasi gusto kong bilhan sedan. I think this one is for me. So, yeah, I think this one is for me. I'm gonna start with this. Wala akong ganitong sunnies right now. Meron ako pero parang naiwan ko sa Pilipinas. So, I decided to get one. But, tinry ito na dan and sobrang ganda sa kanya. Like, sobrang nagustuhan ko to sa kanya. I think ibibigay ko na lang to sa kanya. Mas bagay sa kanya kaysa sa akin. The quality of this is really good. As usual, ililive ko yung link below para makita nyo yung mga prices. And yeah. And then next one is another sunnies. Ganito yung itsura niya. Nakikita nyo yung kaguluhan dyan. I will have Dan try this on kasi you guys, nung sinuot niya itong mga to, lahat bagay sa kanya. And oh my gosh, basta ang ganda nito. Ako, personally, gusto ko na mura lang yung mga sunnies ko kasi it's sunnies. Like, nilalagay ko siya sa bag ko, nilalagay ko siya sa sasakyan. Like, kahit saan lang siya magpupunta-punta. And if it's mura, I don't have to worry about like scratching it. Ako lang naman yun. Anyway, next one is this one. My gosh, this looks really good kay Dan. As in, sobra. Again, I will let him try this on and then insert clips for you guys. But it's the same as the other one, the previous one that I showed you. Pero ito black. And sobrang ganda ng black sa kanya. Ito last. This one looks the best on him. Like, I'm not even kidding. You guys will see sa clip. This one looks like this. This one is so cool. Kasi wooden yung ano niya. Ano tawag dito? Basta yan. Wood siya. And ito yung pinaka-gwapo si Dan dito, as in sobra. And yeah, I'm so happy na I got this. Sobrang mumura lang nito. Si Dan kasi wala din siyang pakialam sa mga sunnies niya. Yung sunnies niya na ginagamit niya ngayon, as in sobrang punong-puno ng scratch. Kasi tinatapon niya lang sa sasakyan. Okay, next one is this one. I got this kasi you guys know I'm going home and I'm gonna be in the plane very soon. So, I decided to get this para lagyan ng aking headphones. Kasi, yeah. So, ilalagay ko dyan yung headphones ko. And then, my contact lenses case as well, ilalagay ko dyan. So, kahit na anong pwedeng mag-fit dyan. I just feel like mas magiging madali yung buhay ko sa paghanap ng aking headphones. Like, I don't have to dig in sa purse ko. Ito lang, yung hahanapin ko. And alam ko, nandito na yung headphones ko. So, headphones, headset, I don't even know. Basta yung sa... Okay, ito mga travel-related churva ek-ek din to. This one is a travel makeup bag. So, ganyan yung itsura niya. Maganda yung quality nito, ha. To think na sobrang mura lang nito. Wait, let me show you guys. When you open it up, meron kang pwedeng lagyan ng brushes mo. Hindi nga lang ito yung size ng mga brush ko. Ay, ano? Okay. Oh well. Pero, ganyan yung itsura niya. And then, there, pwede mong lagyan ng mga toiletries mo or kahit na anong gusto mo. And yeah, meron silang maraming kulay, pero I picked the black one kasi wala lang. Gusto ko lang yung black. Sana gold yung hardware niya, no? Pero, whatever. It's gray. I mean, silver. Yes. So, that's that. Okay, next one is another travel-related-ish. It looks like this. So, ano siya? Parang waterproof yung... No, not really waterproof. But yung tela niya ganito, oh. parang raincoat na manipis. Hindi naman siya raincoat, you guys. I do not know. I can't explain it. But it looks like that. Sobrang mura lang din ito, grabe. Again, lahat dito mura. So when you're traveling, ilalagay mo dito yung mga toiletries mo. Tapos, ilalak mo siyang ganon. And so, safe na safe yung mga gamit mo. And then, pagdating mo sa hotel or wherever you're staying, pwede mong ilagay dito yung toiletries mo kasi it can actually stand. Meron siyang base na ganyan. And then, you can fold it up like that para ma-expose yung mga toiletries mo. And pwede mo siyang lagyan ng mga toiletries mo when you're traveling. Isn't that cute? Meron din siyang kasamang maliit na pouch with zipper ganun. If you guys watch my previous Dresslink haul, nakita nyo na nag-order ako ng 2-piece na pantulog. And I love that. Hindi ko pa siya nagagamit kasi sobrang lamig. Sobrang lamig pa rin, you guys. Hindi ako makapag-spaghetti strap dito. Pero yung pantulog na yun, sobrang nagustuhan ko siya. Sobrang ganda ng quality niya. So, I decided to get something from the same brand. Pero this one is a robe. The quality of this is just unbelievable. For something na mabibili mo sa Dresslink, hindi ko in-expect na ganito yung kaganda yung quality. As in, sobra. And it's the same thing as the previous one, na meron din siyang sariling lalagyan. And yan yung parang brand niya, oh. And then, meron din siya kasama yung, maliit na card. Like, nung noon nga. I decided to get a robe kasi meron akong robe pero makapal siya para sa mga malamig na araw. So, I decided to get a thinner robe. Pero this one, you guys, the quality is just legit. Like, seriously though. I like also na hindi siya ganun kahaba. And, yeah, it's just a black robe na I can see myself using during spring and summer. Like, after ka maligo, yun yung gagamitin mo. Okay, next are these nipple silicone pad. It looks like this. Sobrang mura lang ito. As in, sobra. Again, I will leave the link below para makita nyo yung price. Isang pair ng silicone churva ek-eklu na ilalagay mo sa iyong nipples para wala kang, yung mga yung ganun yung nipple. Yeah, kung gusto mo lang naman, I haven't personally tried something like this from Dresslink, but I did read the reviews and sobrang gaganda ng reviews nitong product na to sa kanila. So, I decided to get 2. Pareho lang sila. Yep. Okay, next one is this one right here. Ito, meron na akong ganito. Yung color ng akin is parang mint greens. And this, I got for my sister para twinning kami. And perfect siya kasi maliit lang siya na coin purse. And then, pwede ka nang maglagay ng mga cards dito. Like cards dyan. Tapos dito, coins. And then dito, yung mga bills mo. So, perfect siya. And yung ganito ko, I have been using non-stop. Simula nung na-receive ko siya, yun na talaga yung ginamit ko. And hanggang ngayon, okay na okay pa rin siya. I don't think madali siyang masira at all. And for the price, you can never go wrong. Last are brushes. You guys, I'm so excited. This one, I'm gonna start with this one since ito na yung nasa kamay ko. Sobrang laki na to. Sobrang cute. It looks like this. Sobrang fluffy. I wish you can feel this. Like, I really wish you can feel this. Kasi sobrang ganda niya. Sobrang ganda niya i-feel. And gustong-gusto ko yung mga sosyalin na tingnan ng mga handle. Kasi nga, yung lalagyan ko ng mga brushes is, tawag ba doon? Clear. So, gusto ko maganda yung handle kasi nga nakikita siya. You guys, look at this. It says Real Techniques right there. I got this kasi I just wanted to try it out. Kasi parang gusto kong i-compare siya sa Real Techniques na meron ako and see kung comparable yung quality niya. Oh, wow. That feels really, wow. Okay, wait. Where's mine? Ito yung legit na Real Techniques brush ko. Obviously, hindi sila magkaparehong brush. This is more dense. But, the bristles feels really freaking similar. Like, sobrang parang magkapareho lang yung bristles nila. Wala akong ganitong specific na set from Real Techniques. Pero, ngayon, meron ako. Peke nga lang siya, pero bongga siya. This one, I can see myself using as a highlighter brush. Like, it's perfect. Meron siyang pa-taper na ganapot. Okay, next set of brushes are these right here. If you guys watch my previous Dresslink haul, nakita nyo na I actually featured these brushes. Kasi nag-order ako na to nung unang Dresslink haul ko. Actually, they're right here. Look at that. I really like the color. So yeah, I got it kasi okay naman yung quality niya. And I decided to get one for you guys. Kasi alam ko marami sa inyo na nagsisimula pa lang sa makeup and gusto nyo ng mga brushes. So I decided to get those for you. And then, last thing that I got are these right here. And if you watch my other haul, you would know na meron na din ako nung bamboo brushes. I personally haven't used that, so hindi ko alam kung ano yung quality niya. Pero I I know it's not like super bad quality naman. I know na magagamit mo naman siya. So I got these for you guys. I believe it has 11 pieces of brushes. But yeah, you will get that. Ito yung bamboo brushes. So yeah, one of you guys will receive these brushes right here. I will leave the information below. Ito, open lang siya sa Philippines. I'm not sure kung kailan to ma-upload yung video na to. Pero isa-send ko siya kapag nandun na ako sa Pilipinas, pag uwi ko na. So yung giveaway na to is open lang sa Philippines residents or kahit na hindi kayo nakatira sa Pilipinas pero meron kayong Philippines address na pwede kong pagsendan, pwede kayong mag-join. And again, I will leave all the information below para klaro sa lahat. And yeah, that's basically it. Good luck. God bless sa sasali sa giveaway. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do like this video if you did. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget, be good. Bye! Oh my gosh, my face just became so red because of this blackish. Yeah. Is this brushette? I feel like the sleeves are way too big looking. I really like this top though. I really like the gray and the black. Oh well, whatever. Kasi nag-order ako na to nung onang